Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log in to your Groupon account using the Groupon mobile application. So let's get started. Open your Groupon application and then make sure that you're inside this main homepage. Go and tap on the My Stuff button at the bottom right to open up this interface. To sign in or log into your account, tap on Sign In or Sign Up button in blue at the top. Now, enter your email address followed by your password associated with your Groupon account. Enter the correct email and in the password text field, type in your password that you created while signing up. If you don't remember your password, tap on the Forgot Password link beneath the password box and follow through the password reset process. You can also sign in using your Facebook account, Google account, or Apple ID. After filling in all of your credentials, click on Sign In with Groupon and you'll be able to log into your Groupon account with a few simple steps. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.